Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson. To jump through an extra hoop. We had to jump through an extra hoop to get the approval during the probation period. To jump through an extra hoop. We had to jump through an extra hoop to get the approval during the probation period. Probation period. During the probation period, the company decided to widen its range of services. Probation period. During the probation period, the company decided to widen its range of services. To widen its market position, the manager decided to step up efforts. To widen its market position, the manager decided to step up efforts. To step up something. When they stepped up efforts, the situation began to turn around. To step up something. When they stepped up efforts, the situation began to turn around. To turn around. As the situation turned around, they were able to overcome many hurdles. To turn around. As the situation turned around, they were able to overcome many hurdles. To overcome hurdles. Overcoming hurdles required people who were willing to devote more time to work. To overcome hurdles. Overcoming hurdles required people who were willing to devote more time to work. To devote. She chose to devote more time to her duties, regardless of the risks involved. To devote. She chose to devote more time to her duties, regardless of the risks involved. Regardless of. Regardless of the risks, he continued to do his work with excellence. Regardless of. Regardless of the risks, he continued to do his work with excellence. To do something with excellence. Doing his work with excellence helped him disguise his uncertainty. To do something with excellence. Doing his work with excellence helped him disguise his uncertainty. To disguise. She tried to disguise her uncertainty while presenting the successful results. To disguise. She tried to disguise her uncertainty while presenting the successful results.